Homegrown citrus like these don't happen by chance. They start with a perfect mix. Citrus trees are a great option for container planting, so today we'll share our tui tips for growing tastier, juicier citrus at home. Start with a perfect mix by filling your planter with tui citrus mix and a good sprinkling of tui organic sheet pellets. Tui citrus mix provides a stronger start for your plants, including a starter fertilizer and seaweed to support root growth, as well as potassium and magnesium for fruit and flower development. Choose a sunny, sheltered location for your citrus. It's important to choose varieties that are suited to your climate, and even more important to choose types of citrus that you'll enjoy eating. Give your citrus a good soak in Tui Organic Seaweed Tonic before planting to help prevent transplant shock and kickstart root growth. Dig a planting hole twice the depth of the plant's root ball in the centre of the container. Gently loosen the root ball and place your citrus into the hole, firmly pressing the Tui citrus mix around the tree stem. The mix should be at the same level on the plant as it was in the previous container. Once planted, give your seedlings a good watering to settle them in and prevent wilting. Citrus trees are gross feeders, meaning they require large amounts of nutrients to grow big and strong. Regular feeding helps to replace these nutrients from the soil as they are absorbed by the plant and will encourage bigger, juicier fruit. Tui Citrus and Fruit Liquid Superfood provides fast-action feeding and is an easy way to fertilise your fruit trees. Boosted with potassium, iron and seaweed, Tui Liquid Superfood promotes healthy plant and root growth. Simply use the measuring cap to add Tui Liquid Superfood to your watering can at the rate recommended on pack. Water in over the plant's foliage and the soil, giving them a good soak. We recommend feeding with Tui Liquid Superfood every 1 to 2 weeks while they are actively growing for the best results. Citrus are a particularly juicy crop. Regularly water your citrus, either early or late in the day, to avoid the heat of the sun and to encourage the development of quality fruit. Check regularly for pests and diseases. The best part of gardening is this: harvesting a bowl of homegrown citrus to enjoy. Pick your fruit as it colours and harvest regularly. The perfect ending starts with the perfect beginning. Take the guesswork out of growing tastier, juicier citrus by starting with Tui and a perfect mix. For more expert tips, gardening advice and growing guides, visit tuigarden.co.nz.